Let's see. Nah. Not my ears are too manly for earrings. They just Yeti. It doesn't fit. Maybe if you have baby earlobes. If you have baby ear, oh no, look, there. Don't I look cool like a rock star? And they have two of these, so don't worry. Your other ear can put one on there too. Anyway. So yeah, it's perfect. It's perfect for marriage. You know why? You know why? I'm glad you asked. I'm sure you don't want to know, but so if you're trying to get to sleep and your partner
Likey